Imagine a bustling city with no traffic lights, no rules of the road, and vehicles speeding in every direction. Chaos would reign. Welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. Similarly, without a set of internationally agreed-upon rules, the world's oceans, teeming with vessels of all sizes, would be a recipe for disaster. Enter COLREGs, the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. Adopted by the International Maritime Organization, these rules of the road are crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring the safe and orderly flow of maritime traffic. Whether you're captaining a massive cargo ship or navigating a small sailboat, understanding and adhering to COLREGs is non-negotiable. COLREGs provide a comprehensive framework covering various aspects of safe navigation, including rules for determining right-of-way in different encounter situations, such as head-on approaches, crossing situations, and overtaking. Guidelines for the use of lights and shapes to signal a vessel's size, type, and activity, especially crucial at night or in restricted visibility. Sound signals for communicating intentions and warnings, particularly important in fog or heavy rain. By providing a common language and set of procedures, COLREGs help mariners from diverse backgrounds and nationalities communicate effectively and avoid potentially dangerous misunderstandings. One of the most fundamental principles enshrined in COLREGs is the concept of safe speed. Unlike speed limits on land, there's no fixed number on the water. Determining safe speed requires careful consideration of various factors, including visibility. Reduced visibility due to fog, rain, or darkness drastically limits your ability to see and react to other vessels. Slowing down is essential. Traffic density. Navigating a busy shipping lane demands greater caution and lower speeds compared to open waters with little traffic. Maneuverability. A large, heavily laden cargo ship takes significantly longer to change course or stop than a nimble sailboat. Your vessel's handling characteristics must dictate your speed. Failing to maintain a safe speed is a major contributing factor to collisions at sea. It's not just about how fast you're going, but also your ability to stop or maneuver in time to avoid a close-quarters situation. Imagine driving your car with your eyes closed. Unthinkable, right? Yet, failing to keep a proper lookout at sea is equally dangerous. COLREGs emphasize the critical importance of maintaining a vigilant watch at all times. Keeping a proper lookout doesn't just mean casually glancing around. It involves visual scanning, systematically scanning the horizon and surrounding waters for other vessels, obstructions, or navigational hazards. Radar monitoring. Using radar to detect vessels beyond visual range, especially in poor visibility. AIS awareness. Monitoring the automatic identification system to track the position, course, and speed of nearby ships. Sound signals. Listening for fog signals, horns, or other sound signals that might indicate the presence of another vessel. By maintaining a constant and comprehensive lookout, you're far more likely to detect potential dangers early, giving you valuable time to assess the situation and take appropriate action. COLREGs provide a clear set of rules of the road to determine which vessel has the right of way in different encounter situations. These rules are based on the principle of minimizing the risk of collision by establishing predictable patterns of movement. Some key collision avoidance rules include overtaking. The vessel overtaking another is the give-way vessel and must keep clear of the vessel being overtaken. Head-on. When two power-driven vessels are approaching head-on, both vessels must alter course to starboard to pass port to port. Crossing. The vessel approaching another from the starboard side has the right of way, while the vessel approaching from the port side must give way. It's crucial to remember that these rules are not absolute. Circumstances may arise where strict adherence to the rules could actually increase the risk of collision. Seamanship, good judgment, and early action are paramount. The importance of COLREGs is best illustrated by real-life incidents where adherence, or lack thereof, has had significant consequences. The Andrea Doria and Stockholm collision in 1956. This tragic collision, resulting in the sinking of the Italian liner Andrea Doria, highlighted the importance of clear communication and adherence to the rules of the road. particularly in conditions of reduced visibility. The Exxon Valdez oil spill in 1989. While not directly a collision, this environmental disaster underscores the importance of maintaining a proper lookout and the catastrophic consequences that can result from human error. Successful collision avoidance. Countless near misses occur every day where mariners, by adhering to COLREGs and exercising good judgment, successfully avert potential disasters. These successes often go unreported, but stand as testament to the effectiveness of these regulations. These incidents, both tragic and successful, underscore the critical importance of COLREGs in promoting maritime safety. Navigating in restricted visibility, such as fog, mist, or heavy rain, presents unique challenges and heightened risks. COLREGs provide specific guidelines for safe navigation in such conditions, emphasizing caution and heightened awareness. Key considerations include: reduce speed. Visibility is paramount. If you can't see, you must slow down significantly to reduce your stopping distance and give yourself more time to react. Sound signals. Regularly sounding your vessel's foghorn or whistle is crucial for alerting other vessels to your presence. Radar and electronic aids. Relying on radar, AIS, and other electronic aids to detect and monitor the movement of other vessels becomes even more critical. Navigating in reduced visibility demands heightened vigilance, prudent speed, and effective use of all available tools to maintain situational awareness and prevent collisions. COLREGs provide the framework for safe navigation, but their effectiveness ultimately relies on the human factor. Proper training, experience, and sound decision-making are essential. Adequate training ensures that mariners thoroughly understand the rules. Knowledge of COLREGs is not merely about memorization but understanding the principles behind the rules and how to apply them in various situations. Developing the ability to assess encounter situations, anticipate potential risks, and make timely and appropriate decisions is paramount. Clear communication both within the vessel and with other vessels is vital for preventing misunderstandings and coordinating actions. Investing in comprehensive training and fostering a culture of safety are crucial for ensuring that COLREGs translate into real-world collision avoidance. While COLREGs provide the legal framework, fostering a culture of safety at sea goes beyond mere compliance. It's about instilling a proactive mindset where safety is everyone's responsibility. This includes encouraging open communication. Creating an environment where crew members feel comfortable raising concerns or questioning decisions, regardless of rank, is essential. Promoting continuous learning. Regularly reviewing procedures, conducting drills, and staying updated on best practices help maintain a sharp focus on safety. Recognizing and managing fatigue. Fatigue is a silent killer at sea. Implementing strategies to manage fatigue and ensure adequate rest for crew members is crucial. By fostering a culture where safety is paramount, we create a maritime environment where accidents are not just avoided but actively prevented. The world's oceans are a dynamic and potentially hazardous environment. COLREGs, the rules of the road at sea, provide a vital framework for preventing collisions and ensuring the safe and orderly flow of maritime traffic. However, simply having rules is not enough. Mastering COLREGs requires thorough understanding of the rules and their underlying principles, commitment to maintaining a proper lookout and safe speed at all times, ability to assess situations, anticipate risks, and make sound decisions, effective communication and coordination with other vessels. By embracing a safety culture, investing in training, and adhering to these principles, we can all contribute to making the maritime world a safer place for everyone. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps us to bring you more useful content and costs you nothing unless, of course, you would like to buy us a coffee. If you do, you can find the link in our channel description or by visiting buymecoffee.com/cruiseship.